Are you dealing with a slow or broken computer? We offer affordable and convenient repair services tailored to your needs. Our expert technicians handle everything from virus removal to hardware repairs, ensuring your computer returns to peak performance. We provide reliable solutions for slow speeds, viruses, and hardware issues. Forget the hassle of visiting a shop. We come to your home or office for your convenience. Enjoy transparent pricing with no hidden fees. Our goal is to offer quick, reliable repairs at prices that won't break the bank. Call us today at 239-382-7247 for a free diagnosis and personalized repair quote. Visit fixmycomputersanibel.com to learn more about our services and book your appointment. How much does it cost to fix your computer in Sanibel? Costs vary, but we offer competitive pricing. Do you offer on-site repairs? Yes, we come to you. What issues can you fix? From slow performance to hardware repairs, we handle it all. Get fast, friendly, and affordable computer repairs at Fix My Computer Sanibel. Call 239-382-7247 today and enjoy hassle-free, convenient repairs right at your doorstep. Don't wait, get your computer fixed today.